Interested in cryptocurrency investing but don't want to spend hours on complex chart analysis or complicated trading strategies? Bramridge Trust is designed as a simple and innovative solution that removes these barriers. By leveraging advanced AI technology, the platform automates the entire process, from market monitoring and analysis to trade execution. Even without prior experience, you can enter the crypto market efficiently and with ease. Registration takes just a few minutes, allowing you to get started right away. Plus, by signing up through a special link, you can unlock an exclusive welcome bonus. Bramridge Trust is more than just a standard trading tool. It's a modern, AI-powered investment platform tailored for users in Australia. Its intuitive and user-friendly interface makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders alike. The system operates 24/7, continuously analyzing market data. It quickly identifies promising trading opportunities and adjusts strategies in real time to match market conditions. All you need to do is set your financial goals and risk level. The AI takes care of portfolio management and optimization automatically. One of its key advantages is its adaptive, self-learning AI. Instead of relying on fixed rules, it uses real-time data to continuously refine and improve its strategies. This helps eliminate emotional decision-making and supports more stable performance, much like having a digital financial advisor working for you around the clock. Security is also a top priority. The platform complies with KYC and AML standards and uses advanced encryption technologies to protect both your data and your funds. With a secure cloud infrastructure, a smooth registration process, and reliable customer support, getting started is straightforward and safe. Once activated, the system runs fully automated in the background. Beyond short-term trading opportunities, Bramridge Trust also supports long-term wealth building. Features such as diversification, automatic reinvestment, and passive income strategies contribute to sustainable growth. Please note that certain features and bonuses are only available via the invitation link. By combining real-time and historical data, the platform delivers accurate and well-informed decisions. Even during periods of high market volatility, the system remains flexible and stable. With Bramridge Trust, crypto investing becomes simpler and more accessible than ever. Let the technology handle the complexity while you focus on achieving your financial goals. Sign up now via the link in the description and claim your exclusive welcome bonus.